we got a smelting pot from Uncle Marty, Papa. Hi.
Hey. What's up, guys? Pete from Punchline and Sinker. We're gonna try our hands at smelting some lead into some teardrop weights for fishing. Stay tuned.
No, we're just waiting for Derail to come back. We'll be back momentarily.
A few moments later.
I told you. There's Derail.
What up, y'all? Y'all ready to figure out how to smelt some lead weights today? Find out with us here. Let's come down fishing and Punchline and Sinker.
So we're using a yard decoration as our pot, and it is in desperate need of repair. But we're just gonna clean it out the best we can with our smelting tools, and go from there.
What are you trying to do?
Good question. I'm gonna need a little bit of help with that answer, though. And now it's time to get burned with Derail. And here's your host, Derail. Today, our goal is to smelt our own lead sinkers. But before we get started, here's a list of all the items you're gonna need. Feel free to pause at any time to write it down, or you can find the list and timestamps in the description below.
Making the cold for the kettle. You just set it on there. That son of a bitch, I'm melting quicker than quick. Take all the pictures you want. If you're gonna touch, it's $5.
What are we talking about?
No! Naughty! Naughty jungle of love!
That's the good stuff, man. Yes! Hit the children with golf balls. Clean it up a tad bit more, but about ready to go. We got some old weights over here.
So for this lead smelting project we got going on, we have all these old leads here, and obviously we don't want to re-smelt the ones that are good. I'm just picking out the ones that are all nasty looking, and we'll just burn all that off in our little pot and re-smelt those into some fresh lead.
And then we can be professional. Then Papa, aka Uncle Marty, gave us that mold. It makes smaller ones, it makes larger ones, itty bitties. They all come with the ring right on them. We'll get to melting, pouring, get to metaling.
Not really sure what I'm doing. It's really hot. I'm not doing fucking nothing, man.
That's why I'm not getting down in it.
Woo! Man, I about burned my fingers off just putting them sticks in there.
She's plenty hot, fellas.
There, it'll go now. Look at it.
Oh yeah. She's got like a...
Yeah, it's like redirecting the flame.
She's smelting finely now.
A fine smelting, that is.
Very fine smelting.
We got the old lead weights here that we picked out from the jar, and we're gonna re-smelt those down, like I said, burn all that off. Make some new teardrops. How much do you think we should put in there, guys?
It's the guessing game. the show where the contestants and the audience get to guess. Start with like 15-20.
15-20? What do you think, guys?
I was thinking maybe about 6 or 7.
That's what I was thinking. I was thinking like 5.
And the winner is...
That's why I stopped.
Derail.
Wah, wah, wah.
That's why Derail is behind the camera. Seriously though.
Yes. You always want to remember to warm your molds, people. Never ever pour hot metal into cold mold. Never. Cold mold, hot metal, no good. No bueno.
Good old figure wag of information.
Happiness is a hot pot. Happiness. Load that thing up.
It's going right now.
Yeah, it's like scorching
It's hot.
and hot.
It's starting to smelt down. Look at it.
I don't know, do you want to control both the wires?
I didn't know that I was even doing it.
Look at it smoking, burning the wood.
Well, that just broke.
That's how you smelt. That's how you smelt.
Oh, here we go.
So what he's doing now is he's picking it up by the handle and the bottom in order to pour the molten lead. Attempt number 1. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, spillage.
It's heavy. What do you think, cuz? Whenever you think it's shot enough, you try and flip it and hold it.
I think it's already gonna be okay.
Okay, go ahead. I've done it before. Maybe once.
Any y'all ever smelted before? Leave a comment below if there's any tips and tricks you could show us.
It's like, you know, I do a project like this by myself. It's so hard to do everything.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, I was gonna say that chunk on the wood should be cool to tuck by now.
There you go.
My precious.
The precious little.
I mean, that should be just about ready to open.
Manipulate it with my giant robot fingers.
Yes. GP.
Please sit on my.
Hey. The reveal. The resolve.
Plan it out.
Hell yeah.
10th one so far. Looks successful.
No way.
I
Right?
seen right where it's at.
Where is it?
Right over here. Right there.
Splash down.
Good enough. Wait,
He is one with the metal. Perfect in the metal.
Look, we're getting this down now, though.
baiting muscle.
Bait on.
Good.
Sling it back in the fire if you can. Hey, good job, buddy.
There be the goods, the shiny, shiny booty.
These bad boys still look a little rough around the edges, so it's time to deburr and polish. Using wrenches, channel locks, or pliers, secure the sinker with one wrench and the burr or the excess part around the edge with the other. Focusing mainly on the burr itself, bend and twist until the burr is dislodged. Then gather up any extra pieces and place the excess lead back into the pot or discard it properly. Now that they've been successfully deburred,
All you gotta do is clean them up.
a simple filing.
Sorry, Marty, we couldn't find the files.
It does a great job. Thank God it's a highly malleable metal.
Doesn't even blemish the stones.
Look at that, dude. Nice. She's pretty. Just throw it on a sinker slider clip or barrel swivel. You're good to go. And that's how you do it, bros. Till next time. Here on
Punchline and
Sinker. And, as always,
Don't forget them.
Don't forgive them.
Don't forgive them at all. Ever. Don't forget to give them the medal. But yeah.
so check it out, guys. We've finished pouring what we're gonna pour for today. We have a little surprise project for the end of the video here. We'll do that here in a moment. Just check out what we've got accomplished here. Metal. Metal. Punchline and sinker.
Calm down. Hey, with authority.
be like the Pink Panther. Da-dant, 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 da-dant. Da-da-da-da-dant.
Do not disturb. This is I'll pinch the ever living shit out of you with my mandibles.
Yeah, well, we're gonna fight fire. Ants with fire.
Heck yeah, we are.
Surprise, fellow viewers.
It's over for. They're not happy.
That's all it's gonna take.
Guys, something happened back at the valve. Oh, yep, look. Word spreading.
There's one dancing. Oh, yeah, don't let them climb up on you.
That's fun part to do.
Look at it.
Yeah. There you go.
There he is, dude.
So we're not bending now.
I'm not ready to grab it.
What?
I know. That's the only one right there. Right there, right there. Look at them all fried. Come on, all three of us. All three of us. Baby, get your finger in here.
All three.
Onyx, put your paw in there.
Your finger's not even touching. Oh, get the fuck out of here.
Dude, we are standing like right there. Y'all
Yeah,
careful. The scent marker tells me I should go this way.
Here, derail asking, signing off for the last time. We'll see you guys next time.